guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making the Jamaican sweet potato pudding. First off, I have some coconut here. Comes like this. I cracked it, washed it, and chopped it, and now I'm about to blend it because I want to put some natural coconut juice in my pudding. So I just blend my coconut. These are the potato you will need. It's the red skin white belly potato. So I'm about to I washed these already. Yeah, they're washed. That's how it looks. But yeah, I washed these. I'm gonna peel them and then I'm going to chop them and blend. I'm gonna blend these today, guys. I won't be gratering any potato today, so I'm gonna blend these. Easy and simple. This is how I will be cutting my potato because you don't want to mash up your blender, okay? So try to do them small. And I forgot to mention that I will be blending my potato with my natural coconut milk, okay? That's what I will be using. I won't be using any water to it. I will be using the coconut milk. These are my sweet potato. They are ready to be blended. I rest them in some water after chopping them because sometimes you will peel the potato and it start to get like discolored, dark. So once you put it in the water, that will change that. It will make it look as beautiful as this and not get black on you. So I washed these. I'm just gonna take them out little by little and blend them with the coconut milk, okay? Oh, here we have it. This is the blended coconut milk and the potato, sweet potato in my blender. So I'm about to pour this in now and start blending a little at a time because you want it to be well blend, okay? Rich and creamy. Yeah. This is how my potato paste is looking. See, make sure you don't have any lumps. See, not too watery, not lumpy. This is how you want it, guys. Look, fine and nice. Okay, so I know you have a certain recipe and sometimes you just put like different touch to it. So today I'll be putting some old raisin, like Ola raisin in my pudding today, but I decided to blend some also. Right, listen, whenever you have a recipe, guys, you have to just make it your own and just play around with it and you will figure out what works and what doesn't, you know. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my milk and start blending again. So there it is, guys. Everything is well blended. Yeah. Okay, look at that. Look at that. That brown thing, that's the raisin, guys. That's the raisin. Look at that. So here I have some coconut milk mixed with sugar. You could add some cinnamon or some vanilla to it and just mix it up. Then after it's finished baking, not finished baking, but the first process is finished, you're gonna add some of that to the top to keep the moist and stuff like that, because as you can see, it's getting dry. So I'm gonna put that on and put it back in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes, guys. All right.